It's a video. Just walk. It's recording. Turn off all the lights. Walk outside to the front. It's a video. I don't know.
It's over there. She said just go outside. No, you don't have to put them on. Don't run outside. Why? Come home. You ain't getting in front of the camera. Why? Because you're not. It's a new car out here that we finna take a video of. We so sorry, but this is a car that I'm trying to take a video of. You said take a video of this car?
It's the inside. The sunroof. Can't understand. The seats. This is a new car for me. And then do the outside.
This is a new car. All the sides, getting the back tool jammed up, getting this side. This is a nice car.
Thank you.
See you later, Katurah. Say I'll see you later. Yeah, later. Say see you later to this greedy girl. We be posting for the camera. We be posing for the camera. She got this new car and it's so cute. It's cute, and it's jamming. It's cute, and it's jamming up. Her car is so cute. No, it's shiny. And I know this video for my mom, but it's so cute. Mommy, her car is so cute.